What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a card on Alibaba Cloud. Understanding how to manage your payment methods is crucial for a smooth purchasing experience on the platform. Whether you're looking to update your payment details, this step-by-step guide will help you do it efficiently. So let's get started. First, open any web browser just available on your devices, since all you need is a browser to do this. Like mine, I use a Brave browser to do the tutorial. Now, click the search bar on your device and type alibabacloud.com. In the Alibaba Cloud website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and I'm already logged in. After you log in, point your cursor at the Profile tab, which is located at the top right of the website screen, just beside the Console tab. A menu will appear. Just click the Billing tab so that we can proceed. It will take a few seconds, so wait for it. Now that we are in the Billing tab, click the Add Payment Method button to add a payment method. From here, you just have to fill out the forms that need to be filled in. After you fill out those forms, click the Submit button to add a payment to Alibaba Cloud. And by following the steps, you can easily add card from your account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.